Hi guys, my name is Antonio, and today I'll be teaching you how you're going to do a clip on your drawing. So let's go inside our drawing system and I will show you.
First, log into your SlabWare account. Next, click on Drawing, then select New Drawing. Choose a customer from the list or fill in the required details if your customer doesn't have any details yet. Once that's done, click on Create a Drawing. Now you're ready to create a countertop. Click, hold, and drag to draw your countertop. For example, I'm setting the width to 50 inches and the length to 200 inches. Once you've finished your countertop, proceed by clicking on Borders and Corners. Next, click on STD and choose Clip. Adjust the size of line A to 50 inches and line B to 50 inches as well. If you want to personalize further, click on the clip and change line A to 70 inches to make the cut even bigger.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact our support team. And if you're new, you can go inside SlabWare.com and start your free trial right now.